Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Aishwarya and I'm back to embarrass myself. I mean, as you guys have read the title, today I'm going to recreate my childhood pictures. And by recreating them, I mean I'm going to give the weirdest smiles possible.
Weirdest smiles possible.
Like, I've chosen 3 pictures of my childhood and I tried to, recreate them by giving the same pose, wearing similar clothes and etc. So, here I am back to just make you laugh with my
Stupid face and my stupid recreation. So,
if it is something that interests you, obviously it will interest you because it's gonna embarrass me and it's gonna make fun of me. Chalo. Now the first picture that I have recreated is this picture, and in this picture it's my birthday. It's my birthday, I'm wearing this kind of dress, and the question that mainly arises when someone looks at this picture is why? I know, right? Like, who wears this kind of dress? Like, I have a good explanation to it. I have a good explanation to it that my parents brought me a nice dress, a nice gown, but I was always massively obsessed with dupatta wala dresses. I mean, this is what I used to call it when I was a kid, and I am pretty sure everybody did when they were a kid. If yes, then please tell me down in the comment section that I am not alone. Okay, so this is my picture of my birthday. It was my 8th birthday and I was just sitting down and giving like a calm pose. The makeup is done by my mother and the recreation of it is like, I'll pop it in somewhere here. Like, now for this I have worn a nice ghar ka t-shirt which is blue in color, and then my mother's pink color palazzo pants, and I just smiled like a weirdo. Now guys, I thought this will be very easy to recreate, but trust me it's not. The face that I made in bachpan and the face that I have now is completely different, and I know I'm weird, but I cannot just make exact face like that. It is so difficult to do that. So this is it. I think I did a pretty good job, but let's just move on to the another. Now moving on, this is a picture where I'm wearing again a dupatta wala dress, like pretty obsessed with it, and I'm wearing a orange color ka dupatta dress with a hairband like blue color, and I was genuinely this is my candid picture. I was talking to my granny, and at the time we had the chotu mobile phones, and now it is completely impossible to find this kind of phones. Like, I did not had this in my house, so what I did was I used a TV remote to use it as a phone. So this is so now I'll just show you my recreation, and this is my recreation. Now obviously I haven't shown my teeth and all. I know the expressions are pretty different from this, are very different from this, but guys, trust me, it's hard. It's so effing difficult to just recreate your childhood pictures with the same expressions. No, if it's possible for you guys, if you find it easy, you are a pro, okay, you are legends. But me, I'm sorry, I cannot make that kind of faces, okay. So this is what I recreated, and the background is pretty much same because I still live in the same house. So for this we had like these pictures are clicked by my sister, and who is 11 years old. So I think she did a great job, and I am completely bad at posing here. But the hairband that I have tied, I did not had a blue hairband. That's why I just put a blue color ka rumal. I've wrapped it, and the t-shirt that I'm wearing is obviously again a ghar ka t-shirt which is orange in color. Okay, so now let's move on to the final picture. This picture is clicked in Mahabaleshwar when I was I guess 9 years old. No, not 9. I was 6 or 7 years old, 7 or 8-year old, and at that time, literally, we were roaming, and I was shivering because of cold. But my mama was being a rock star and a fashion diva, made me wear this kind of clothes in Thandi. She wanted me to, look gorgeous, but I wasn't looking gorgeous because I was like doing all this every time. I was like shivering. And literally, if you see me in this picture, my father asked me to pose, and I'm like, it was cold this much. And now that this picture is like clicked in dark, we really did not get a darker background or night wala background because lockdown. First of all, we cannot go out, so we just clicked it at home. The dress that I'm wearing is pretty good. Like, I'll post my recreation here.
So the top that I'm wearing is quite similar. I was not having orange clip and they were also not available in the shop, so I opted not to wear it.
Yeah, so this is what I recreated, and I was clearly not shivering, but I literally gave the weirdest pose I could. So yes, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you had fun, and if you like this kind of videos of mine, if you like me recreating myself and trolling myself, then please comment down below and I'll do that for you guys, because just by the way, thank you so much Shruti for giving me this idea. This idea was suggested to me by her actually, and I completely found it interesting. That's why I just thought, like, why not make it and embarrass myself. So here I am. I just made it and appreciating. You also can appreciate me by liking the video, commenting down below, and hitting the subscribe button. If you want to just keep watching my videos and not miss me on YouTube, then click that bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I am on YouTube. Until next time, bye.